Are you tired of living on instant noodles and couch surfing while scrolling through Instagram? Seeing your peers living their best lives on private jets and yachts? Well, fear not. In this guide, we'll show you how to become a millionaire by a young age. Now, you might be wondering why bother becoming a millionaire so early? Well, aside from being able to afford those private jets and yachts, there are numerous benefits to achieving millionaire status at a young age. You can have financial freedom, invest in your future, travel the world, and most importantly, give back to your community. So buckle up, and let's dive into the world of becoming a millionaire by a young age. It won't be easy, but it'll be worth it. 2. Develop a millionaire mindset. They say that the mind is a terrible thing to waste, but in the world of wealth building, it's a downright catastrophe. Developing a millionaire mindset is crucial if you want to achieve financial success. So, what exactly does a millionaire mindset entail? It's all about cultivating a positive attitude towards money, embracing risk-taking, and adopting a growth mindset. Here are some strategies to get you started. Believe in yourself. Confidence is key when it comes to building wealth. Believe that you have the ability to create abundance and success in your life. Embrace risk-taking. Wealthy individuals are not afraid to take calculated risks. Don't let fear hold you back from pursuing opportunities that could lead to financial gain. Learn from failures. Failure is inevitable, but successful people learn from their mistakes and use them as stepping stones to greater success. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. The people you associate with can greatly influence your mindset. Surround yourself with individuals who share your goals and ambitions. Adopt a growth mindset. Embrace the idea that you can always improve and grow. Continuously seek out knowledge and opportunities for personal and professional development. By developing a millionaire mindset, you'll be setting yourself up for success in the world of wealth building. Remember, it's not just about the money, it's about the mindset. 3. Create a solid financial plan. Planning and budgeting may not sound sexy, but trust us, they're essential if you want to become a millionaire by a young age. Without a solid financial plan, you're just blindly throwing darts at a board and hoping something sticks. So, how do you create a solid financial plan? Here are some steps to get you started. Determine your net worth. Your net worth is the difference between your assets, things you own, and liabilities, things you owe. This will give you a clear picture of where you stand financially and help you identify areas for improvement. Set financial goals. What do you want to achieve financially? Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or building a retirement fund, it's important to have specific, measurable goals to work towards. Create a budget. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. It allows you to see exactly where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. Be realistic, but also be willing to make sacrifices in the short term for long-term gain. Develop a savings plan. Saving money is crucial if you want to become a millionaire. Determine how much you can realistically save each month and set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account. Invest your money. Simply saving money isn't enough to build wealth. You need to invest it wisely. Do your research and explore different investment options, such as stocks, mutual funds, and real estate. By following these steps and sticking to your financial plan, you'll be well on your way to achieving millionaire status by a young age. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be able to afford that private jet and yacht after all. IV. Build multiple streams of income. If you're relying on one source of income, you're playing a dangerous game. Building multiple streams of income is crucial if you want to become a millionaire by a young age. It not only diversifies your income sources but also provides a safety net in case one source dries up. So, how do you build multiple streams of income? Here are some strategies to consider. Starting a business. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit, starting a business can be a great way to generate additional income. Whether it's an online store, a consulting service, or a side hustle, the possibilities are endless. Investing in real estate. Real estate can be a lucrative investment if done right. Consider purchasing rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Investing in stocks and other financial instruments. Investing in the stock market, mutual funds, and other financial instruments can be a great way to generate passive income over time. Just make sure to do your research and diversify your portfolio. Developing passive income streams. Passive income streams, such as affiliate marketing, royalties, and rental income, can provide a steady stream of income with minimal effort on your part. By building multiple streams of income, you're not only increasing your earning potential but also setting yourself up for long-term financial success. So go ahead, start that business, invest in that rental property, and watch your income soar. Live below your means. Living below your means may not be as glamorous as sipping champagne on a yacht, but it's an essential step towards becoming a millionaire by a young age. It means spending less money than you earn and avoiding unnecessary expenses. The benefits of living below your means are twofold. First, it allows you to save more money and invest it in income-generating opportunities. Second, it helps you develop a healthy relationship with money and avoid the pitfalls of overspending and debt. So, how do you live below your means? Here are some strategies to consider. Budgeting. Create a budget and stick to it. Avoid impulse purchases and prioritize your spending based on your financial goals. Cutting back on expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back on expenses, such as eating out less, reducing your subscription services, and shopping sales. Saving on big-ticket items. When making big purchases, do your research and look for deals and discounts. Consider buying used or refurbished items instead of new ones. Developing frugal habits. Embrace frugality and find joy in simple pleasures. Cook at home, enjoy free activities, and focus on experiences rather than material possessions. By living below your means, you'll not only be on the path towards millionaire status but also developing a healthy and sustainable relationship with money. Who says you can't have your cake and eat it too? Just maybe skip the expensive bakery and bake it yourself. Continuously educate yourself. It's no secret that knowledge is power, and when it comes to building wealth, continuous learning is crucial. The world is constantly changing, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-evolving landscape of finance. So, how can you continuously educate yourself? Here are some ways to consider. Reading. Reading is a great way to expand your knowledge and stay up to date on industry trends. Whether it's books, blogs, or financial news, make reading a part of your daily routine. Attending seminars and workshops. Attending seminars and workshops is a great way to learn from experts and network with like-minded individuals. Look for events in your area or attend virtual conferences online. Taking courses and certifications. Taking courses and certifications can provide a deeper understanding of finance and help you develop new skills. Consider taking courses in accounting, investing, or entrepreneurship. By continuously educating yourself, you're not only expanding your knowledge but also investing in yourself and your future. Remember, the most successful people never stop learning. So grab a book, attend a workshop, and keep growing. Just don't forget to take breaks and have some fun too. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire by a young age is no easy feat, but it's definitely achievable with the right mindset, financial plan, and strategies. By developing a millionaire mindset, creating a solid financial plan, building multiple streams of income, living below your means, and continuously educating yourself, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial success and becoming a millionaire by a young age. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We're on a mission to provide valuable and engaging content to our viewers. And with your support, we can be the first AI channel to reach 1 million subscribers. So hit that subscribe button, and let's make history together. Thanks for watching.